Hey everyone! If you've been creating AI videos lately, you've probably run into the same problem. Most AI video generators still only give you 5 to 8 second videos at a time. That's exactly the problem we wanted to solve. So, we built a platform that can generate long AI videos from a single prompt using technologies like Kling, Veo, and Runway. Let's jump in and take a look. Alright, we're in. As you can see, the interface is clean, modern, and incredibly easy to use. All you need to do is enter an idea, keyword, topic, or prompt. That's it. For this demo, I'm going to use the prompt, "The Frozen Miracle of the Woman Beneath the Ice." Let's click Generate. And just like that, the AI gets to work. It starts by researching the topic and gathering the information needed for the video. Then it writes a complete script based on the prompt. Next, it creates the scenes and maps out the visual flow of the story. Now the AI begins generating the scenes, bringing each part of the story to life with unique visuals. As the scenes are generated, you can actually watch the story start to take shape right before your eyes. Once all the scenes are ready, the AI animates them into video clips. After that, it generates a natural voiceover, adds background music, and prepares everything for the final render. You can even watch the live preview while everything is being generated. Now let's head over to My Projects and take a look at the finished result. And there it is, a complete long-form AI video generated from a single prompt. From a simple idea to a fully produced video, the AI handled the entire process automatically.
But breathe. It's so cold it hurts. I remember what it feels like to be warm. Sitting on the beach in Positano, right? I spent the day with beautiful friends, doing the best thing on earth. We can do one more minute.
No endless clip generation, no monthly fees or credit purchases, no multiple subscriptions. So go ahead, say goodbye to boring 5-second AI clips, and say hello to long-form AI video creation.